Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about the process for sending money using PayPal application. Prior to this session, what we discussed like how we can create the PayPal account, what are the benefits of using PayPal as compared to other fintech company platforms, right? So in this session, mainly we are going to talk about the PayPal money transaction process, like how we can send the money from one account to another. Okay, when we did the setup for our PayPal account in the last session, at that moment we didn't add the maybe you can say the card, or we didn't link it with some bank, right? But yes, you can link it with your account, either using card or using net banking, because to perform any kind of transaction it is always recommended, because this application is for transaction purpose only, right? So if you have not assigned if you have not linked it with any of your transaction mechanism, either through the cards or through net banking, then it would not be feasible for you to use this application. Okay, fine. So now you can see here I'm on the website, so you can simply search again for PayPal, and then you can click on the first link which is given over here. Once you click on this, it will ask you for again options like sign up and login. So from like sign up we have already done in completed in last session, right? So this time we are going to use login option. So just click on login, then it will automatically show you your user account, because I have already logged in, because previously I logged into this account. So it is showing me my email address, or if you have set up it with mobile number, that is also populated here. Then we have option for password. Here we are supposed to provide the password that we can use to access this account. So I'll simply pass my password here, and then you can simply click on this login icon. In case if you forgot your password, you can click here, but for now let's go with the login. So it will take few seconds, and then it will redirect you to your dashboard. Okay, so this red mark is coming because we have not set up the account yet, we have not linked the account yet, but I'll tell you later maybe in the upcoming session like how to link the account. But for now we are just focusing on the send payment option that you can see here. You can see here, right? Pay someone, pay for purchase or service you received. Okay, and if you scroll it down, you will find other information related to this, like recent activity, bank and card. There is an option for link card or bank account. Okay, then we have option for send and request, payment method, activity help. So there are various options, but the main two options are pay, send payments and request payment. So, and if you click on this icon, you will see there are other options as well. Link a card to shop around the world, find your great deals from your sofa. Okay, extend the reach of your business, and then you can find it here. Clear? So these are the all options that we can select. Apart from this, like you can see there, there is two other buttons that we can use, send and request. But for now let's go through this option, which is send payments. So once you click on the send payment option, it will take you to this screen where you will find all these information like send, request, contact, more. Okay, and we are in this send and request tab. Then we have more ways to send, like you can see there, here there is one send and invoice. So once you click on this button send and invoice, it will show you that upgrade to a PayPal business account. Why? Because if you are using only PayPal business account, then only you are supposed to send the invoice. To receive payments, we need some information to upgrade your account. This is for your security and to comply with the Indian regulations. Okay, so we have not set up the account yet, that's why it is showing this, like in order to accept the payments, you need to set up your account and provide the necessary information. Okay, and as I like, if I do cancel here, then it will again take us to the back page, and then I can select from here again. Okay, so this is the one option that will be enabled only if you are using the business account. But in last session we discussed that we are using only the individual, or you can say the customer account, so that's why it is not showing me, allowing me to do this. Okay, fine. Now we have this window, you can see send payment to anyone. Okay, so here what we can do, we can put the name of, either we can put name, username, email or mobile. of the user to whom we are going to send the money. So for example, I want to send it to John. So I can simply write here John. Then there are multiple options: John Alex, John Adams. So you can select your contact, or if you have the exact username, then you can put it as it is. But for now, let's say I want to send it to John Alex. So what I will do, I will select it from here, and then it will show you this window. Okay, remember one thing, this is a financial, or you can say the money related operation. So always make sure that if you are really wanted to if you are really interested to send this money to someone, then only use this option. Otherwise it will deduct your money from your account. Okay, so this is your responsibility how you are using it. I'm just explaining you, this is just a demo purpose. But if you want to do transaction, then it's your responsibility to make sure that yes, this is the intended transaction. Clear? Fine. Now this window is here where we are supposed to fill up the data. So let's say I want to go with for example 541. Okay, $5.41. So you can see the icon is also coming here. USD means US dollar. Okay, and then it will ask for what's this for. So here we can put the reason like why we are sending this amount. So maybe we can put anything, and then we have option like for more information please read our user agreement. So if you want to read the user agreement, you can click here. Otherwise here I can put for example uh, tuition fee, for example. Okay, so here I can simply put it has a tuition fees, and then you can simply click on this next button. So when you click on next button, it will ask you for two options. As of now we have not linked with our debit card or the bank account, so that's why it is asking us for either option, like either we can go with a link a debit card or credit card and link a bank account. Okay, so let me show you like how you can do this. So for example, if I want to go with a debit card, so I can simply click it here, and then you can put your debit or credit card number here. For example, I'm just putting the random numbers just to show you that how it works, because this is some confidential information, so that's why. But you can put your data when you want to access it. Okay, so I can put like this. Then you can select the type of your card. For example, if I want to go with Visa, you can put it here. Then we are supposed to provide expiry date. For example, my card is going to expire on 12th and 24, so I can simply put it here. Then we are supposed to provide CVC code, so CSC code. So we can put, for example, I just put numbers here. You will find this code on the back of your card. Okay, CVV code. Then at the bottom it is showing the billing address, like where we are supposed to get the bill. Okay, so by doing this, by providing this information, then you can simply click on link card and it will provide you the required option. But as of now I am providing the test data, that's why it is showing me that invalid card number. Check again and try again, check the number and try again. Okay, so this is the one way. So through this you can simply set up your account with card, and then you can proceed with your payment. So this is one way. Now I'll just close it from here, and let me show you the another way. When you click on next, it will ask for, okay, let me go back, because our card is not connected yet, that's why it is showing those notification. So click on send payments. Then again I'll select the user as Alex. Okay, let's select with Alex ND. Then we can put some number here and fee. Okay, then click on next, and again it will provide us two options. Either you can link it with credit card, we just discussed like how to connect with it, and then we have link a bank account. So just click on link and bank account. Then it will ask for these information: IFSC code, where you can provide NEFT IFSC code and account number. Okay, and if you want to go with a bank name and location, then you can click here. Then it will ask for your bank name, select state. So for example, I want to go with HDFC Bank, so I can select it here. Then state I can select, for example, Uttar Pradesh. Then city and town, for example, I want to select Varanasi. Branch location. Okay, then you can put some of your, like you can put your account number. account number of the person to whom you are going to send this. Okay, and after that you can simply click on link your bank and it will connect with you with your bank. Okay, and if you want to go directly with IFSC code, then you can put the HDFC IFSC code as well as the account number. Clear? So this is the simple, and once you are ready with all information, then you can link your bank account and it will allow you to send the money. Okay, so again I'm saying that this is a something confidential thing and the financial thing, so make sure that if you really want to send the money to someone, then only you can try with it. And when you are selecting uh, your contact or recipient, make sure that you are selecting the right recipient, otherwise it will deduct your account amount and it will send it to the person name whom you have mentioned in the document in the field. Okay, so yeah, as I'm just explaining this for the education purpose, so it's your responsibility how you will take care of this application. Clear? So yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things, so thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.